Alright, hello. So today I'm going to be showcasing my little, I guess, assembly OpenGL framework, right? So basically what this does is it opens a window and it actually displays something. Not unlike the first video I think I ever posted, which was about the toilet water library. I'm not too sure anymore, but yeah. So basically this opens a window and renders it in OpenGL, but the only, I guess, what do you call it, a trick or catch is that it's made in assembly. So the code is pretty simple. It's only like, well, it's only like 134 lines. That's not a lot for opening a window and also drawing. But yeah, so basically I'm gonna just run it, cause why not? I'm gonna show you. I've already ran the make a few times, so you can see make run, and it opens a window and there's a triangle, right? So you can also minimize, maximize it, and also close it. That's kind of important when making a rendering application, right? So I'm gonna delete the build folder just to prove to you that I'm also. I mean, I could just show you the make file if I really have to here. So this is not some fucking trickery with me using an like useless assembly code and then just replacing the executable with some GCC bullshit. I'm actually doing this in assembly. I don't know why I'm stating this. Maybe some people don't want to believe me. So here's a proof, right? So I don't know if I should post this on GitHub. I mean, if somebody wants it, then just let me know down below. But I'll gladly post it. I mean, it doesn't really obstruct anything. So yeah. One recommendation I have, if you want to make your own little, I guess, program like this, first of all, do actual research. Like I just cooked this project up like in 10 minutes. So this isn't really efficient code. So yeah, put a little more time into your assembly code and yeah, I this is also my first time using the what was it called? I think it's a SSE one extension. It's like on the Intel processors in general, like x86 processors or x64, I'm not too sure, have like these 128, 256, and 512-bit extensions, right? So XMM is one of them, and that's basically used for floating point numbers, right? Yeah, so I've never used these before. That's why I'm saying this. So this usage is probably incorrect, but I'm not too sure, so I'm not gonna say anything about it. But yeah, one recommendation I have, I forgot to tell, I forgot to say this. So I would always have these headers near me. So these headers for like the OpenGL, I guess what do you call this? Like the library, right? So if you need, for example, if you want to, well, my executable right now only draws with lines, right? So let's say we want to draw like a GL polygon, right? Let me just look at this. So you can see it's basically lines, right? It's a line. It's like an outline of a triangle, right? So let's say you want to draw a polygon, right? So we can just search for a polygon. So I think it was, you do have to know these names though, but at least you have these simple little, sorry, polygon. There we go. That's the wrong polygon. All right, whatever. Let me just search for the whole thing. I'll probably find it somewhere. Polygon, polygon, polygon. There we go. So it ends with a 9, right? So we can basically just copy this. And on the function glbegin, you can see here, we can just pass in, as I said, this thing, right? Save it, and then recompile it. And you'll see it will be a filled triangle, right? So this time it's a polygon. So basically it doesn't only have not only has an outline, but it also has a fill. So yeah, that's my little recommendation when making these projects. So I mean, or at least that helps me make these projects, right? So I'm just sharing it, so maybe some other person will need this help too, or it's just a quick little recommendation. So yeah, that's it.